Today we are going to be showing you how to make Swedish waffles. Here are the ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, 4.5 deciliters of flour, 100 grams of melted butter cooled, 1 deciliter club soda, 3 deciliters of milk, and 1 deciliter of half and half, and 2 eggs. So let's get started. Start by sifting your flour into the bowl. The reason for the sifting is to make sure that there are as little lumps as possible in the flour when you're mixing all the ingredients. Then you're going to add baking powder, sugar, and your salt, and stir it all together. Then you're going to add your milk and your half and half and stir that together. Then add your butter and stir that together before you add the club soda. The reason for using the club soda is for the waffles to become crispy. Now plug in your waffle maker and turn it up to the maximum heat. Make sure that you spray it before you put your waffle mix in there. When it's ready, take it out. It should be a golden brown color. For the traditional toppings, we've prepared strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. We also decided to make our own whipped cream by whipping heavy cream, but you can also use spray whipped cream. It doesn't really matter. And also we have powdered sugar, which you sift on top to finish it all off. And there you have it, your Swedish waffle. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!